Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your Moto Buds 270 are charging? So, if you want to check it for the charging case, is it charging, you need to connect your charging case to the power. So at the back side we have USB-C port. You need to connect USB-C cable right at this port. And on the front side, if you see the LED light, meaning that your charging case are charging. Now, how to check it for the charging case, or for the earbuds? You need to open the charging case and put your earbuds inside. If you see red LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!